Hello, class. I sure do miss you. I hope you're having a great day. Our lesson today is 13-4. I can interpret numerical expressions without evaluating, which means solving them. So basically, you're just going to look at the expressions, at the problems, and then figure out how they relate or how they compare to each other without solving them. Now, if you need to solve them to be able to do that, you certainly can, but you shouldn't have to, okay? So let's look at this. Oh, by the way, I put a rap song on the last lesson with the order of operations, so you can listen to that. I put it on again. I just think it's a good little reminder of the order of operations and what order things go in. So let's look at this. How does A compare to B? So here we've got in parentheses 7 plus 5 divided by 2. And how's that compared to this one? 7 plus 5. Expression A is blank expression B. So in expression A, we've got the same, and expression B, we've got the same thing, 7 plus 5. But what's different is we're dividing by 2 in the first one. So that is, since we're going to take 7 plus 5 and divide it by 2, that's going to make expression A half of expression B. All right, let's look at the next one. Now we're going to put greater than, less than, or equal to in this one. 1/2 times, parenthesis, 2,000 minus 428 is greater than, less than, or equal to 2,000 minus 428. Now remember how I've told you guys this multiplication sign means of. So 1/2 of 2,000 minus 428 is going to be less than, because that's half of this, because this 2,000 minus 428, it's the same on both sides. Okay, let's look at the next one. 74 plus, parenthesis, 18,268 minus 4,162 is greater than, less than, or equal to 71 plus 18,268 minus 4,162. So again, these two expressions are the same. So here we have the 74 that we're adding to that. Here we have 71 that we're adding to that. 71 is less than 74. So this side is going to be greater. 74 plus that amount is greater than 71 plus that amount. So when you're solving these, kind of try to look at and figure out what's the same on both sides, and then that'll help you know, because basically here we're just comparing 74 to 71. Okay, now here is a question, which on the practice buddy you'll have some drop-down boxes to kind of explain, but let's look at this. How can you tell that 484 plus 74 plus 170 times 12 is 3 times as large as 484 plus 74 plus 170 times 4 without working out the problem? Well, again, these two parts of the equations are the same. Here's what's different. The way that we can tell that when we multiply this amount by 12, it's going to be 3 times as large as this amount times 4 is the fact that 4 is 3 times less than 12, or we could say 12 is 3 times as large as 4, because 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 is 3 times less than 12, or we could say 12 is 3 times greater than 4. All right. Well, I miss you guys. I hope you have a great day. Just email me if you have any questions. So proud of you for doing your math work.